In this video, I'm going to show you how much money you can actually make as an affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate. So Wealthy Affiliate is an online training platform for people who want to learn how to do affiliate marketing. And so if you use the link in the description below, you can actually create an account completely for free, no credit card required. Now, once you do that, you create an account. Here you can see that they've got a few different pricing plans, starting from the starter plan at $0 a month. So this is permanently free, and that's what I would recommend anyone to get started with. Then they've got the premium and the premium plus. Once you actually sign up to Wealthy Affiliate, you get a unique affiliate link, and that means that anytime someone uses that link and makes a purchase, then you earn a commission. So as you know, the free plan will get you no commission because they're not paying anything. But if people that sign up with you end up getting the premium or the premium plus, then this is how much money you can make. So with the premium, regular premium, if it's monthly, then you're going to earn $23.50 every single month. But for the first month, you're going to get a $20 commission because for the first month, it's going to be a $49 special offer. But after the first month, if they stick with it and they keep, paying for that subscription, you'll earn $23.50 every single month. Now, if they end up getting the yearly subscription, so they pay all at once, then you're going to get $235. And so here they tell you that the conversion rate is 1 in 8. So about 12% of people actually go to premium. So you're going to earn over $100 on average for each premium sign up. Now, if they decide to go with the premium plus, then you would earn $46.50 per month. But the first month is going to be a special offer again. So you'll earn $40 for the first month. And then if they go all in and just buy the premium plus for the entire year at once, then you'll earn $320 every single year. And so here the conversion rate is over 25% of people who go to Premium Plus. And then here you can earn on average about more than $200 per person who gets Premium Plus. So that's what it looks like here. You can make quite a bit of money, and since it's recurring monthly, you can actually stack your income. So if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate and you want to promote it, you can use the link in the description and just drop any comments or questions you have below as well. I'll respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.